Good morning, guys. Welcome to touchscreenmoney.com. We have a new bonus going on, referral bonus, pretty awesome. With the Dosh app, they gave me an email that says they're giving $15 for you referring a friend. Now, as you can see, I've already earned, over $150 with them. They gave you $5 just to sign up and link your card. You get $5 just that easy. See? And on top of that, they're going to send you $15 for everybody you share it with who does the same thing. It's a cashback app, and that's all it is. You're going to get cash back at any of these stores, that you swipe your card at. It's automatically going to give it to you, so you don't have to enter receipts and stuff like that. You can do it online as well as offline, nearby stores and stuff like that. The beauty about it is they also have a hotel booking cash app. You get $25 back on your first hotel stay, which is nice. An easy cash back. So you would just enter your information and go from there. How you would do it, you would go ahead and click your link that I'll send you. As you can see, it says you get $5 to sign up. You want to go ahead and copy this link. You want to leave it with this video. It's either going to be in the description, in the post, or in the comments or in your inbox. Click the link, sign up, link a card, and start sharing. This promotion is only going on for 2 weeks. It ends on January 21st, I believe. Yes. Now through January 21st, get $15 for each person you refer who links a credit or debit card. Open the app, tap the social icon, follow simple instructions. Bonus will be paid within 72 hours. And guys, you can use PayPal for your withdrawal, or you could use straight to your bank account. Me, I've used both. So again, guys, let's get this money. People have made thousands of dollars on free apps. Get your link so you can share it and get that free money. Leave me a comment, share this video, like this video, subscribe to our channel. And I will see you on the other side. Alrighty. You guys have a good one. Till next time.